We're going to show you how to set a Segma snap today. This is our large Hasihato Segma snap. And we have the cap, the socket, the post, and the stud. So we'll start with the cap and the socket. You need a 5mm punch for this side. And then insert the socket this way so that it's nice and flush. And then the cap goes into the base, or you can use this universal setting base. And then line it up here where you can see the post, and then over, and take your setter. There we go, and you can check that it's tight by trying to turn it. This one needs a little more tightening. There we go, now that's nicely set. You can tell because the metal has rolled over the edge of this top piece. So now we'll go to the post and the stud. And for this side, you need a 3mm hole punch. The post up through the hole, and then the stud on. And it's nice to do this on a nice piece of metal. And you can angle it around a little bit like this. And there we go. Now a detail on the smaller snaps, you'll need a 2mm hole for the post and stud, and a 4mm hole for the socket and the cap. So 2 and 4 on the small, 3 and 5 on the large.